Hello everybody and welcome back to Ladybug Lane Soaps. Thank you so much for joining me. This is, as always, Margie, your hostess for the mostest. So anyway, today I'm going to be making this Santal, that's how you call it, from Sierra. Very, very nice. And I thought I've been making a lot of, like I said, men's soaps this month, and I have just left them plain of any micas, just to see if they discolor or not. But I believe I have made this one once before, and I think it's just a nice nice white color. So I'm going to use a little bit of this nocturnal right here. And from Nurture Soap, and then this is the Synergy from Nurture Soap. And I'm just going to leave, whatever this color is here, which I'm pretty sure it's just clear. I'm pretty sure. So let's give it a temp here. Okay, it's cooled off a little bit, but it's all right. We got like about, what is that, 97.1 Celsius. Woohoo, where's Celsius? There we go. What is that? 36.2. And then the lye solution. Let's see, Fahrenheit. Oh, I think that's close to 90. Pretty close to 90. There you go. And Celsius 32.3. So okay, so I have the kaolin clay in here, and I did put the sodium lactate in here. So let me, I have this in a double container. So you know what, I see some floaties in there. So there's really nothing wrong with those. I think it's just the lye solution. Maybe the air has gotten to the sodium. But anyway, okay, drip, 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 drip.